Yeah. Is it on? No, it's not on. Oh boy. Well, what the heck? What happened here? I don't. I don't understand what is going on. I'm like baffled. Next time we're not doing this from the phone because something went wrong. Oh, there's a red button there. It's not on, right? Still not on. Still not on, right? I don't think it's on. Nope, it's not on. Jeez.
There we
Wow.
go, because it would show the red dot on here if you're live, not live. Oh,
What? What? What's
you're
going on?
on.
I'm on. Good evening.
You're on.
Good evening, and welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and welcome all to the channel too, also as well. I do apologize for the long wait to get up live. I'm just sending a message out real quick to everyone who was in the other live stream. We was not able to get that one up and running, so therefore we started a new live stream. In other words, the one that we set up to run tonight, for some reason we could not get that to run because we had used another platform to set it up and schedule it. So therefore, I'm sending a message right now um, to everyone to go to the homepage. Or just look in your notifications. Okay, I'm just sending that out. Okay, so I sent a message saying everyone go to the homepage on our channel or your notifications to join us live. Okay, so hopefully all of you got it, the message, and you'll be able to join us live too, also as well. So I'm just setting up here, making sure that I'm able to get into the live stream myself. That way I can keep track of you guys' comments and everything. Hold on. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not in on my cell phone yet. Okay. I'm going to have to go to our YouTube channel to find it. Okay. Now I found it. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. There's 5 people with us right now inside of the live stream. Thank you so much to all 5 of you who have joined us. And I'm sorry for the delay. I really do sincerely apologize to all of you for the delay. I know we were supposed to start at 8:15 tonight, but we ended up starting now, which is almost 9 o'clock. So again, I do sincerely apologize to all of you for the long delay. The issue that we were having there for a while was that we had set up this live stream and scheduled it to go live from my cell phone. Okay, so in doing so, we tried to get on the computer and locate this live stream, which we did. We located it, and then we tried to connect to the live stream and turn it on, and for some reason we were unable to do that. So that's what was taking us so long to get started. But I did learn a valuable lesson here. Next time, do not schedule live streams from my cell phone until I figure out how to connect to it and turn it on from my computer or laptop. So, well, lesson learned there. So, if you're joining right now, I want to say welcome to all the people that are in here with us. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman. Cornell, how's it going, buddy? And welcome back once again. Thank you so much for joining us again in another live stream, and we really do appreciate your patience, sir. Also, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Bill Walker. Bill Walker says hello to all, and everyone, please say hello to Bill Walker too also as well. Look like, Bill, you're a new person here in our live chat, and I want to welcome you and let you know you're always welcome here in our live chats, and thank you so much for coming. Bill Walker says, we see you. Okay, excellent. I'm glad that you guys are able to see me too also as well. Cornell says, I see you and hear you. Awesome. And Bill Walker says, right. Okay, great. Everyone also please give a warm welcome to Janelle Leone, thank you so much for joining us once again, too also as well. So if you're new to this channel and you've been watching our videos for a while, and you're interested in things such as increasing your credit score, getting items deleted off your credit repair, getting approved for credit cards, loans, lines of credit, or traveling the world for free, and you'd like a credit coach to help you with that every step of the way to also as well, and guide you, and also giving you suggestions, helping you increase your score to also as well, getting you set up with authorized users if you need them, or helping you with that too also as well. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications too also as well. Make sure you select all notifications, that way you will never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Bodyguard 856. He says, what's up, guys? Yes, what's up, Bodyguard? How's it going, Bodyguard? And welcome back. Thank you for joining us again inside of another live stream. So for all of you who have seen the other notification that we had sent out to you guys, it was a notification that we were going live today at 8:15, and the title too also as well. Just going to see if I can pull that up. Okay, the title, basically what we were going to talk about today was that Janelle had got one of those my approval offers. Okay, what's that, Janelle?
I actually got two, one from yesterday and one today.
Janelle actually got two, one from yesterday and one from today. Two also as well. The same company, same big bank that she got the pre-approval offer or letter from, two also as well. So we thought that we share this good credit news that we call these things with you guys too also as well. So that way we can get some very valuable feedback, and maybe we might be able to take a vote on it too also as well, because guys and ladies, your feedback is very important to all of us here on how to get an 800 credit score too also as well. So if you're new to this setup here, you can follow me on social media. All the links, most of the links are on this screen. The ones that are not on this screen can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel too also as well. The Facebook group is here on the screen. It says how to get an excellent credit. That's the name of the Facebook group. You can email me. My email's at the bottom of this screen too also, the video screen, and join our Patreon, become a member. The link is right underneath me here. So thank you once again for all of you who have joined us. And Also, thank you for helping us reach our getting close to our second milestone coming up. We are approaching 1,200 subscribers very soon. Right now, I believe we have 1,999 subscribers. So one more subscriber, and we will be at 1,200 subscribers. And I do thank all of you who helped us reach our first milestone of 1,000 subscribers, because now we're able to monetize our channel. We're also able to message all of you guys at once, all of our subscribers, through the community tab, and let you guys know future videos, anything that we want to share with you, messages, and so on. Also, we're able to receive super chats now because of you guys who have helped us reach that milestone too, also as well. And now we're able to have a Patreon membership now. So I want to definitely thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel, who've also been watching our videos and sharing our videos too, also as well. So if you're watching this video, please share this video everywhere with all your friends and family members on Facebook and all of your social media networks too, also as well. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Ronald Anderson. Ronald, welcome back again. Ronald, it is a pleasure having you back once again. We appreciate you being able to join us, because we know you have a very busy job. You drive a lot on the road, but we really am thankful to have you here back again, joining us in another live chat. Bodyguard 856 says it's raining here in New York. Oh, okay. Wow. You know, I really miss New York. I'm born and raised in New York. I haven't been there since 2004, actually, you know. But I do have a lot of family and friends there, so I know, you know, I kind of miss the rain somehow. And, you know, sometime in the future, Janelle and I may be traveling to New York to also as well in the future to visit my friends and family too, also as well. Ronald Anderson says hi, Lyndon and Janelle. Everyone, also please give a warm welcome to Julian Anderson. Julian, thank you for making it back here once again. I really appreciate you, sir. Julian says hello to all. So everyone, please say hello to Julian Robinson too, also as well. I did want to mention again, yeah, we do have a new participant now in our live chat. If he's still on here, his name Bill Walker. Everyone, please welcome Bill Walker and say hello to Bill Walker. Let him know that he's welcome here to our group. So again, thank you guys for joining also as well. So I guess I'm going to jump right into it here. If no one has any questions or comments, I'm just going to jump right into Janelle's pre-approval offer here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to show it on the screen real quick. Okay, it came inside of an envelope here. Okay, I'm just putting my finger over the address because I don't want to show that personal information there on the screen. But hoping you guys, if you guys can see this clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. If you guys can see this clearly, again, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. I'm trying to put it as close to the camera as I can there. All right. So now I'm just going to open this up here.
No, the first one.
Oh, the first one? Okay.
That one.
Janelle wants me to open up the first one.
Show the first.
Okay, this is the first one that Janelle received. I hope you guys can see that okay in the camera. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay. I believe there's a letter. There was a letter in here. Let's start with the letter. Let's do that. Okay, so you guys can See that? If you guys can see that clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments there. Okay, just thought I'd show that real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna read the letter because it's kind of difficult to get it clearly, 100% clearly on the screen. All right. It says, "Dear Janelle, you've been chosen to receive this Capital One Platinum MasterCard offer. Earn a $50 one-time cash bonus." Okay, Ronald Anderson has typed the number 1, and Janelle has typed the number 1. Okay, great. I'm glad you guys can see that clearly. No annual fee, it says also as well. Dear Janelle, you're taking the right steps to move your credit in a positive direction. That's why there's the Capital One Platinum MasterCard. With responsible use, a card like this can help you build credit. Once approved, you'll benefit from all these features. No annual fee. Earn a $50 one-time cash bonus after you make your first 5 monthly payments on time. And there's a star next to that. In the star, it says you'll receive your one-time bonus as a statement credit within 2 billing cycles after your 5th on-time payment, and your account must be open and in good standing at that time. This bonus is considered miscellaneous income for tax reporting purposes. If you earn $600 or more in total miscellaneous income with us within a year, we may send a Form 1099-MISC to you, the IRS, and any applicable state tax authorities. Okay, so that's what the meaning of that $50 one-time cash bonus. So I'm guessing that since she won't be earning $600 or more from this credit card, then she doesn't have to worry about the 1099 form or anything like that for the IRS. So the next one says access to a higher credit line after you make your first 5 monthly payments on time. So I'm assuming that they're going to raise her credit limit after 5 on-time monthly payments. Julian Robinson says, "Awesome there, Janelle." She just typed that inside the comment. Thank you so much for saying that, Julian. Yeah, I do think it's awesome that Janelle is just doing really great. She's come from a long way, had a lot of progress too, also as well. And actually on this channel we have a playlist specifically about how we're following Janelle's progress, because we've been working with her doing her credit repair and helping her, giving her credit coaching and increasing her credit score and things like that. So there are videos here about her progress with her score. There's also a video we made just the other day actually about how she got all the items deleted off of her credit report too also as well, and we discussed that in a live stream too also as well. So she's been making a lot of progress coming along very, very well. Okay, so the next one here says flexible payment due dates that work with your schedule. So that's a good thing, because now she can change, she'll be able to change her due dates, like in case she needs to change it for whatever reason. In case you need to change the due date, you can do so, not a problem. So they're saying that it is flexible. And $0 fraud liability if your card is lost or stolen. So in other words, if her card is lost or stolen, she's not liable to pay for anything, any damages as a result of someone else using her card against her wishes. And they gave the link here for her to go online to accept the offer, the reservation number and the access code, and it says that she should apply by August 28, 2019. So guys, a little tip here. If you guys, what you say, Janelle?
Website.
Yeah, I told her there's a link here to a website where she can claim the offer. There's a link there, and she's gonna go there if she decides to take it. What you need, Janelle?
No,
What you need?
okay.
Okay, I already told him that, Janelle, so you're good on that.
Reward thing.
So it says know your credit score and more with Credit Wise from Capital One. So I guess they're offering her as free credit monitoring here from Credit Wise, which it says monitor your credit score, track your progress, get personalized suggestions that tell you what you can do to improve your credit score. Get Credit Wise is free for everyone, whether or not you have a Capital One credit card. So you can get this too, guys, if you're interested in a credit monitoring service. They have Credit Wise. So if you would like to add that on to your arsenal of credit monitoring services, you can definitely feel free to do so. And by the way, we also made a live stream video on how to get free credit monitoring services for up to 10 years. That video is also here on this channel if you guys are interested and want to check that out. I don't know how to get free credit monitoring for 10 years. Go ahead, check it out. Very interesting video. It gets into full details, tells you how to qualify for it and to see if you're eligible for it too also as well. You definitely want to check it out. Okay, so this is just a letter here reviewing the link, the reservation code, the access code, which I'm not going to mention the access code here. Okay, we have a comment here. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Sean P. Entertainment. Sean P. Entertainment says Credit Wise is a fake Keo score. I have Capital One. Okay, well, thank you so much for sharing that.
Did you mean FICO
I
score?
think he did you mean a fake score like FAKE, or did you mean a FICO score, FICO? Sean, let us know because I'm not sure which one you meant to say. All right, and also on the back of this letter here, this is the second letter here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this clearly. If you can see this clearly, okay. All right.
Okay, yeah, it's fake.
You can see this here. I don't want to show that part. I think I might have showed it already. Oops. You can see this clearly. I just folded it down so some of that private information doesn't have to be displayed. If you can see this clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. If you can see this letter here clearly, just type the number 1 inside the comments. It's just basically what I went over about the Credit Wise. Sean P. Entertainment says, yes, fake. Okay. Well, we definitely, thanks for letting us know that, Sean, that if you believe Credit Wise is a fake credit score. Okay. Well, if it's fake, then it really maybe has no value at all then, right? But good thing, Janelle, you have other credit monitoring services, so you really don't need the Credit Wise anyway, let's see here. On the back of this letter, it has some frequently asked questions or FAQs. Let's go over some of those actually. Sean P. Entertainment says same as my Credit Karma. Oh, okay. Credit Karma. Actually, Sean, Credit Karma is more of an educational tool. Okay.
Right.
We did a full review of Credit Karma here on this channel too also as well. The name of the video is called Credit Karma 100% Accurate. You can find that video here on this channel. We made it about a couple months ago too also as well. But the Credit Karma is a Vantage score. Okay. So it's hard to really compare a Vantage score to a FICO score as far as accuracy between the two, because they're both different credit scoring models. They're not the same model. Okay. But one thing you can compare it to, if it's a Vantage score that you're looking at, you can compare it to other Vantage scores to determine whether or not that particular Vantage score is accurate or not. And the same goes with FICO scores. If you get a FICO score, you can compare that to other FICO scores to tell whether or not that FICO score is giving you an accurate FICO score. Okay, because you got to understand, the Vantage score and the FICO score are two different scoring models. Okay, if the Credit Wise is giving you a different Vantage score from Credit Karma, and a different Vantage score from Wallet Hub, and a different Vantage score from Credit Sesame and Bankrate and all of the other credit monitoring services that provide Vantage scores, then it's a possibility it is not an accurate Vantage score, because all the Vantage scores should be the same for a particular date. Okay, and the same goes for FICO scores. FICO scores can be compared to FICO scores too, also as well. Okay. So again, if if you find that the Credit Wise is different than the Credit Karma score, or Wallet Hub, or any of the other Vantage scores from the other credit monitoring services, it's a possibility that it is definitely not accurate. But if it is the same and uniform all across the board with the other credit monitoring services, then it's possible that that is an accurate Vantage score. All right. Sean P. Entertainment says, sorry, Credit Karma is like 50 points higher than my FICO score. Yes, Sean. That is nothing unusual, Sean. A lot of people have Credit Karma credit scores that are higher than their FICO scores, and some of them may be a lot higher than the FICO scores, and some of them are less than their FICO, lower than their FICO scores. And then you have other people where their Vantage scores is almost the same as their FICO scores too, also as well. So it's all a difference in how the Vantage score model grades your credit, okay, and what is on your credit report, okay. Comparison to how the FICO scoring model grades what's on your credit report. Yeah, Janelle? I don't understand what you're telling me.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not. She holds up a page with the wrong. Okay, so another thing, Janelle wanted to let you guys know that she graduated from her Finger Hut, the Fresh Start. Yeah, Finger Hut starts a lot of people off with that Fresh Start account, where it's kind of, in my opinion, it's kind of similar to an installment account. Okay, where I had recommended to Janelle when she first got approved for the Finger Hut Fresh Start account, that she continue to make the on-time payments on the Finger Hut, because it seems to me the way they set it up is like an installment loan. And I checked the Fresh Start, yeah, that's what it's called, the Finger Hut Fresh Start, on my credit report, analyzed, and it looks similar to an installment loan. Okay, because it requires a fixed payment every month. Okay, so my recommendation to her was that she make the payment that they're asking for on time every month, and don't pay it off early. Okay, and she almost done that. Okay, except for 1 month, I think. Oh, she paid it off in 4 months instead of the 6 months that the term is. Okay, for the Fresh Start. And the results of that was that Finger Hut ended up giving her a higher credit limit after they graduated her than they gave me. So what we did actually worked, actually. So I'm glad that we did that. Okay, because what I did with my Finger Hut when I started last year was that I had paid it off like right away, almost right away. When I got approved for the Finger Hut Fresh Start, I paid it off right away. And the end result was they graduated me to also as well. But the difference is that they started me out with a lower credit limit. I believe it was, what was it, like 300 or 200, something like that. I don't remember. I hardly ever use the Finger Hut thing. Actually, good reminder there, Janelle. Thank you for that, because I need to use my Finger Hut Excuse me. I need to use my finger head again because it's an aging account, it's getting old, and I need to be able to hold on to my oldest accounts too also as well. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Immortal DJ Monk. Immortal, how you doing, brother? My brother from another mother over there. He says hi, everyone. So everyone, please say hello to Immortal DJ Monk. Thank you for joining us once again, Immortal. And welcome back to you, too, also as well. So back to these frequently asked questions here. On the back of this letter here.
Because you just came out, you might tell them.
What is a pre-qualified credit card offer is the first question. A pre-qualified credit card offer is only sent to a well-qualified group of people. Being excuse me. It's going to be tongue twisted here, Janelle. Tongue tied. Being pre-qualified means you met our initial criteria and your application is likely to be approved for this Platinum MasterCard card offer. In fact, 3 out of 4 applicants who meet our initial application and income requirements end up getting approved for this card. You will need to submit an application to determine if all eligibility criteria are met. Okay. So they're just basically telling, her what this pre-qualified credit card offer means to her, being that it came from Capital One too also as well. Sean P Entertainment says hi. I believe that's hi for you, Immortal DJ Monkey. Sean P says hi to you, brother. Okay, so the second question is, this offer says I'm pre-qualified. Can I still be declined if I apply? Okay, answer, yes, it is possible. In fact, that you are pre-qualified, the fact that you are pre-qualified simply means you've met the initial criteria for this credit card offer. Here are some reasons you could be declined after applying for this card. You've applied for another Capital One card 2 or more times in the last 30 days. That's one reason for they could decline you. Second one is you did not list a physical address on your applications because P.O. boxes cannot be used. Third, you did not complete all application questions, including providing your social security number. And some of your information from the credit bureau may be missing or unavailable, or your score has changed. Your credit obligations, such as those reported on your credit bureau report, are too high compared to your income. Sean P Entertainment says Capital One will run all 3 of your credit bureaus. Just a warning. Yes, Sean P, thank you so much for bringing that up. And being that you brought that up, Sean P, we became aware that Capital One actually runs hard inquiry credit pull on 4 credit bureaus. Okay, this the information that we found out yesterday. And those 4 credit bureaus, I don't know the 4th one, but I know the 3. But I'm assuming that the 4th one they're referring to might be Enovis. Okay. And that's really a shame that they pull so many, hard inquiries. So actually, that's going to be 4 hard inquiries, if that information is correct, or at least 3 hard inquiries. But I think it's 4 because we've been hearing that from more than one source. Okay, that they're pulling hard pull from 4 credit bureaus. Sean P Entertainment says saw that also from your buddy. Oh, okay, my buddy. Are you talking about Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV? Yeah, we also saw that from him too, also as well. Yeah. Okay, that's what you're referring to. Yeah. So Dwayne kind of helped us out with a lot of that because he dealt with Capital One before too, also as well. Actually, Dwayne has an awesome YouTube channel. It's called How to Get an 800 Credit Score. So if any of you guys have not yet, you definitely want to go over and check out his channel. He has some awesome content. He's been making videos for a long time. and he also talks about how to build credit too, also as well. So excellent channel. You guys definitely want to check it out. He's live every Mondays at 7 p.m. Central Time. You definitely don't want to miss his live streams. We try not to miss. We haven't missed any of his live streams for quite a long time now. We're always during his live streams also as well. So definitely want to check that out. Okay. Let's see where are we at here. It says, for more eligibility details and income requirements, please refer to the account terms. Okay, we do have the account terms here. We could go over that. Okay, now it's talking about, next question is, where does my CreditWise score come from? Okay, now they're talking about CreditWise. Your CreditWise score is calculated using the TransUnion Vantage Score 3.0 model, which is one of the main scoring models used by lenders. It likely won't be the same model. Man, hold on. Oh, okay. It likely won't be the same model your lender use, of course, because your lender may possibly be using a FICO 8 scoring model, depending on the lender. The lender could be using a different FICO model if you're applying for a mortgage, or another FICO model, if you're applying for a car line of credit. It depends on what you're applying for too, and what lender that it is also as well. Okay, so looks like we have our first super chat for the evening. And thank you so much. We have a super chat from the Coin Alley. The Coin Alley says, good evening, folks. Yes. Good evening, Coin Alley, and thank you so much for that $5 super chat. We really appreciate that. Coin Alley, guys, he has his own YouTube channel where he talks about finance. I believe he talks about Bitcoin and some other things that I'm not really too familiar with, because I don't really delve into them, but I'm learning from him about, the information that he's talking about with Bitcoin and all this different information. Maybe Coin Alley might be better able to explain, what he talks about on his channel better than I can. But it's definitely something interesting that you guys might want to check out. If you're interested in learning more about finance and things of that nature, you definitely want to check out his YouTube channel. You can click on his name here, the Coin Alley, inside the chat. Click on go to channel. When you get there, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications too also as well. Okay, so guys, basically, they're saying the CreditWise is not going to be the same credit score. Is not going to be the same model that your lender uses, and we know why that is. But it is an accurate measure of your credit health. The availability of the CreditWise tool depends on our ability to obtain your credit history from TransUnion. Alerts are based on changes to your TransUnion and Experian credit reports and information we find on the dark web too also as well. The tool is not guaranteed to detect all identity theft. So that's one thing you want to keep in mind. It's not guaranteed to detect some instances of identity theft. Okay. But it does send you alerts, when your credit report changes, like say an account was added or an account closed, or you were removed from an AU, whatever kind of change happened to your credit report. Your credit score went up, went down, whatever, hard inquiry was placed on there, any change, whatever. It could be something small as a name was added on there, a variation of your name, anything it could definitely show up there for sure. Okay. It also says here on the back of this letter that how do I apply if I don't have internet access? Pretty simple. It says you can call us at 1-866-927-5831 to apply for this offer, and apply online to get an express response in seconds. And there was a link there to apply. Okay, so pretty much I'm really excited for Janelle about this offer too also as well. But I'm going to let you guys know, I'm going to ask you guys.
Because I've been
Firstly,
every day now.
yeah, Janelle's been getting this every day now from Capital One. This is your second one, right?
That one in your hand,
Yeah.
my first one from yesterday.
The one I just...
That one over there is today.
Okay, the one I just showed you guys is her first offer from Capital One
Yesterday.
that she got in the mail yesterday. She got another one, two also as well, but we haven't finished the first one. Okay, I believe this is a card right here that they sent along with this. If you guys can see this clearly, also type the number 1 inside of the comments. Okay. The Coin Alley says, thanks bro for the shout. I talk about cryptocurrency and will be incorporating fiat, aka real world money, real soon. Okay, so that's what Coin Alley talks about on his YouTube channel, guys. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, learning more about what cryptocurrency is about, then definitely go ahead and check out his channel. The Coin Alley, type the number 1. Sean P Entertainment, type the number 1. Okay, awesome. I'm glad you guys can see the screen clearly. So next we have here that came along with this letter is this here. I hope you guys can see this. I'm just gonna move it up and down the camera so that way you guys can see an idea of how long this piece of paper is that Capital One sent to Janelle. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, this is Capital One account terms. Oh wow, you got a lot of account terms here, Janelle, to go look at here, babe.
One from today and yesterday.
I know you got one from today and one from yesterday too, also as well.
Gee, I might get another one tomorrow.
That actually happened to me too. The same way Janelle got her pre-approval offer in the mail. I don't know if you guys were there with us, and we made the live stream about my pre-approval offer from Upstart and how we went over it, and then we did a quick review on the Upstart loan together. And a lot of you said that I should not, take it. Some of you said that I should go for Lightstream. Well, I ended up getting a second offer from Upstart again in the mail, and this one was an updated offer where they offered me something else, which I guess they try to spice it up a little bit, make it a little more enticing to me for me to apply. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and make a live stream with you guys about that too. So you definitely want to stay tuned and keep a lookout for that live stream. Okay. So back to these account terms from Capital One. I don't know if I'm going to read the whole thing because as you can see how long this is here. Wow. And I can't believe they're only giving you to August 28th to accept this, Janelle.
That one, though.
After this long thing, I may take you a whole month to read this. Huh? Oh, you want to see it? Here you go.
That one, I don't think they're giving me to.
Okay, so I'm going to try to go over some of the basic stuff I can pull out of this as much as I can. Annual percentage rate, or APR, for purchases and transfers. Same thing?
Yep.
Okay. Is 26.9%. This APR will vary with the market based on the prime rate. Okay, so I guess it depends on how the prime rate changes. The Coin Alley says they sent the account terms along with the pre-qualified offer. Yeah, they sent it all to us here, Coin Alley. I guess they wanted us to be well aware of what what she would be getting herself into before she actually responded to this pre-approval offer to also as well. APR for cash advances is 26.99%. So the cash advance APR is the same as the APR for purchases and transfers, and it's based on a prime rate. If that changes, then the rate changes. Paying interest, your due date is at least 25 days after the close of each billing cycle, and they won't charge interest if we pay off the balance in full each month. If we do, if we decide to accept this offer, we will be paying it off in full each month. Okay. And there's a link here for Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and credit card tips. There is no annual fee. There's no transfer fees. There's either $10 or 3% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater. That's the fee for the cash advances. I gotta take a sip of this soda real quick, guys. I do apologize. That I had a little orange crush. All right. There's no the penalty for late payment is up to $39. Okay. Which a lot of secured credit cards, late payment fees like $38. So a lot of them are similar as far as late payment fees. How do you calculate my balance? They use a method called average daily balance. All right. And there is a section below. And how do they calculate that? I'm telling you, this is so much here in this long account terms here. Janelle says, yep, they sure did at the Coin Alley. Yep, they sent all of this here along with the pre-approval offer. I'm just kind of curious to see where in here do they tell us that they will be doing hard inquiry, and on how many credit bureaus will they do the inquiry on. Wow, there's front, it's front and back to this.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah,
there is a front and back. Okay.
I'll find it for you.
Okay, what are my billing rights? Your billing rights section is also enclosed in the additional disclosures. Are there any other penalty fees associated with this card that are not listed in the box above? No, there are no additional penalty fees associated with this card. Okay. Well, guys, Janelle and I had made a live stream too also as well here on this channel. And in that live stream, we did talk about how to sign up for pre-approval offers, right? And I believe that's where a lot of this is coming from, all of these pre-approval offers that we're getting in the mail, because we signed up for pre-approval offers. I believe we did that like a couple of months ago, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, I believe it was, when we signed up for those pre-approval to be able to accept pre-approvals. Okay, and since then, we've been getting all types of pre-approvals from all different types of creditors. Me, for example, from Avant, the Avant card. I believe I got one, like I said, from the Upstart too also as well. Janelle got one from, I don't remember where. Janelle, where did you get the pre-approval? Didn't you get another pre-approval offer before this one? Before? You did, didn't you? Okay, we got one from Credit One, which is a horrible credit card, guys. Definitely do not take that if you do happen to get any offer from Credit One. She got an pre-approval offer from Indigo.
You told me to throw it out.
Yeah, I know. I told Janelle to throw it out because Indigo's like, I don't know. Well, why did we take Credit One over Indigo? I mean, I know they're both not too great, but still, Credit One was like the worst. Comparing the two. Credit One, guys, if you ever get an offer for a Credit One credit card, I would advise you not to take it because it can actually damage your credit score. I mean, it's hard to say that, but it can. Why and how can it damage your credit score? It can damage your credit score, guys, because the way Credit One does things, you know, that's how it can damage your credit score. For example, they do not post things until the last minute onto your account, on your Credit One account. For example, if you owe money on your Credit One account and that money is about to get posted to your statement balance, and they're going to report that to the credit bureau, they will not post that to your account till late. So you will not be notified about that until possibly maybe either a day before or the day of that statement date. Okay, and they really, I think what it is, I think the reason, my guess is that the reason they're trying to do that is because they want you to continue. They have what's called a express payment fee. Okay, and if you pay that express payment fee, of course they make a quick $10 off for you. You know, but the thing is, I mean, it just seems so silly to me. Why would they, do that to people? They're consumers, just to make a quick $10 off of them. To put you in a position where you're checking your Credit One account, you're on the site, probably once a week, every week you're checking. You don't owe anything. You're like, okay, well, I don't owe anything. I'm good. I don't owe anything. And then all of a sudden it's your statement due date, and then it pops right up. Now I owe $50, and my credit limit is $300, right? So that, it can really, damage you if it's marked down as being late, So that's the kind of things that they do. So now you want to just hurry. You don't want to select standard, which the standard payment, you don't pay the $10. I believe you pay a lot less for the standard payment. But the express payment is a possibility that will go through before they report to the credit bureau. The standard payment, I don't think that will give you enough time if you pay on the statement date for it to be reported to the credit bureau. So that's the whole psychology that the Credit One uses on you guys, and that's why I say it's just so much bad things about it that it can really damage your credit score if you're not careful with it. Okay, because they do a lot of things that a lot of the other creditors, they don't do at all. You know what I mean? And I don't know what the purpose of it is for. Is it to try to keep their consumers in a bad credit category, or subprime is to keep them there so that way they can continue using their cards? Because a lot of people, when they graduate from the subprime level or bad credit level or fair credit category, and they move up to the good credit category or the excellent credit category, a lot of them stop using those cards, and a lot of them actually, some of them close those cards, and never use them again. So maybe that's the reason why Credit One does things the way they do it. I don't know, but I would sincerely like to have a long talk with Credit One. Their customer service, I definitely would like to. Certainly. So let's see here. So yeah, this is a long terms and conditions thing here. I'm trying to pick out some important things here. Okay, how do you determine my credit line? We will determine your credit line after a review of your application and your ability to pay. Okay, so that will determine the credit line. If your application is approved, the minimum credit line you will receive is $300. So what I've heard from a lot of people who have had the Capital One Platinum MasterCard is that particular credit card usually starts people out with a very low credit limit. Okay, it's nothing compared to like your Navy Federal Credit Union or anything like that. Although it's not a secured credit card, right, it does start people off with a very low. They're known to start people off with very low credit limits. They're actually also known for being cheap with credit limits. So, which is pretty much saying the same thing. Okay. Can you change my account terms? It says we can change your terms of your account as permitted by law. When required, we will send you notice before doing so. So they can definitely change the account terms also. Can you change my APRs? While a late payment won't cause your APR to increase, in the future we may increase your APRs if market conditions change. If we increase your APRs for any reason other than an increase in the prime rate, the new APRs will apply only to the new transactions you make after we notify you of the change in writing. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. It's a lot of information here. Additional disclosures. Okay. And just letting her know, that she's not obligated to accept this card. But she is bound by all the agreements and the terms if she does choose to accept it. Too also as well. How can I request a transfer? You may request a transfer 10 days after your account is open. Your account may not always be eligible for transfers. Transfer eligibility is determined by Capital One at our discretion. Transfers between Capital One accounts are not permitted. That means balances cannot be transferred to this account from any other credit card issued by Capital One, including but not limited to cards branded with Bass Pro Shops Club, Cabela's, Kohl's, Sony, GM, Bipower Card, Union Plus, Walmart, and Teamster. Privilege. Okay, how do you apply my payment? We will apply payments up to your minimum payment first to the balance with the lowest APR, including 0% APR, and then to balances with higher APRs. We apply any part of your payments exceeding your minimum payment to the balance with the highest APR, and then to balances with lower APRs. Okay, so they're going to apply the payment to the highest, the balance with the highest APR, and then the lowest after. Okay, Coin Alley says one of the benefits of having your credit report frozen is no pre-approval offers. Yeah, I would believe so. The Coin Alley, I know we would have to unfreeze those to be able to apply for anything. But it is, it is that time, guys. It is that time where, we're seeing all types of breaches and hacks going on right now. Equifax had a breach, and we had done 3 videos, 3 live streams about the Equifax breach settlement. They're all here on this channel if you want to check those out too also as well. The reason why we had to do 3 is because we kept finding out news, new information in the news pertaining to the Equifax breach, and it kept, getting different. Well, not different, but new stuff kept popping up each time. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Spence Eccles. Spence Eccles, welcome back. It's a pleasure to have you again. Spence says hello. Oh, yeah, you want to type hello there. Spence says, hello, everyone. Had to work late. What did I miss? Well, Spence, all we're doing is, letting everyone know the offer that Janelle had got in the mail. She got a pre-approved offer from Capital One for a Capital One Platinum MasterCard, which comes with a $50 one-time cash bonus. The card has no cash back at all, but it does have that $50 one-time bonus thing that they do offer. And let's see here, we did, yeah. No, they did show that little detail. Okay, after you make your first 5 monthly payments on time, then you're eligible for that $50 one-time cash bonus. that they offer. Spence says, sorry, I mean hello. Yes, we know what you meant, but thank you so much for stopping by again. Everyone, please welcome back and say hello to Spence Echoes. Spence says, congratulations, Janelle. Yes, thank you so much for that. Janelle, did you see that? Spence said, congratulations there. Okay, so it does come with that cash back, $50 cash back, but that's only a one-time deal. Let's see. So there's more on the back of these terms and conditions. And the $0 fraud liability was kind of interesting too, where if someone uses her card without her permission, that she's not liable for anything. Okay, so she doesn't have to pay anything back. And they have a military lending act notice, which really I don't believe that applies to her because she's never been in the military either. Okay, that's what I was looking for you guys before was a information to, if you guys are interested in like receiving pre-approval offers to also as well.
One and they can ask for
I
it
can.
as you put in your email.
Yeah, I'm showing them how to do it.
Yeah,
I'm telling them.
Can get that.
Yeah, I'm telling them how to do it. We made a live stream about that back like maybe a month ago, I believe, or maybe 2 months ago. I believe we made that live stream. Actually, and it shows you guys, walks you through it, step by step how to sign up to receive pre-approval offers. Okay, and these pre-approval offers you can get them like in the mail, you can get them by email, by different ways too also as well. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, they have a phone number here also while I'm accessing that info for the opt-out pre-screen where you can either opt out or you can opt in. They call it opt out, right? But you can also opt in to receive pre-approval offers too. And that number is 1-888-5 opt out, okay, or 1-888-567-8688. Or you can write to them. They're called Experian Marketing Services. Attention Opt-Out Services, P.O. Box 80128, Lincoln, Nebraska 68521. Okay, you can do that by phone. And they also have an actual website too. Okay, yeah, I was sorry about that, guy. I was just looking for this video because it's really surprising, guys. How many videos we have done so far. I mean, we just started the channel barely in August 11th of this year, and we were able to make a lot of videos, since we actually started. So let's see. I'm trying to scroll down here. Let's get back to this terms and conditions while we're here. Okay, so differences in the offer can apply to Ohio residents, New York and Vermont residents, or Wisconsin residents. Which, since she's none of the above, she doesn't live in any of those states, then none of that will actually apply to her. Okay. Okay. So I'm sure we did talk about that. Okay, I believe the name of the video, guys, is called Excellent Credit No-Nos. How to get excellent credit. We made that video 2 months ago. Another video called Credit Karma 100% Accurate. There you go. I think it's one of those two videos, guys. Inside of the video, we talk about how to go on a website to fill out the forms in order for you to start receiving pre-approval offers. And we put that inside of the video because we wanted to let everyone know that, you know, Credit Karma is not 100% accurate, and the ones that the part of Credit Karma that we focused on was not their scoring model, because the Vantage scoring model, I cannot say with 100% surety that that scoring model is not accurate, because it's not the same scoring model as a FICO scoring model. Yes, most lenders use the FICO scoring model and not the Vantage scoring model, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the Vantage scoring model is inaccurate by any means. So I gave an alternative to the Credit Karma approval odds, and their very good approval odds, whatever they call it, and recommendations, where they, after you get your credit score, then they say, well, okay, you should go ahead and apply for this card because you have very good approval odds, or here's our recommendations based on your credit score, etc., etc. Don't believe any of that, guys, because actually a lot of that's inaccurate. Why I say that is because Credit Karma does not, they don't look at how many, they might look at your score, okay? They might look at your credit score, but they don't look at like important things like how many hard inquiries you may have, because that could make you ineligible to apply for the card that they're trying to say that you have good approval odds for. Okay, so they don't look at hard inquiries. They also don't look at what requirements those lenders have for hard inquiries. You know, in other words, how many inquiries is too many for that lender. Okay, they don't look at that. I believe all they're doing is looking at your score and say, oh, okay, well, you have a 680 score, so therefore you have very good approval odds for, you know, platinum, a Capital One Platinum MasterCard. This is an example I'm giving you, you know, a hypothetical, but that's what they do, in other words. So never believe they're very good approval odds, because it will actually cause you to get a hard inquiry. It can, and it can also cause you to get declined too also. Okay. So that you definitely want to keep in mind for sure when you come across that. And a lot of you use Credit Karma. Yeah, I do too. I use Credit Karma too also as well, because, you know, it's very informational. You know, it's very educational. Helps me to learn a lot about my credit score and what's going on with my credit report too also as well, as far as changes and how to tweak my credit report and my credit score also as well. So, you know, it is very helpful to me, you know, in that regards. Too also as well. So, I mean, I'm just really surprised, guys, how this Capital One actually sent this very long account terms and conditions here. I really did not expect that. You know, when I opened up the envelope, I had no idea it was going to be that long of a term and condition paper here. Now, I thought it was going to be something, you know, a lot shorter than that, but it is what it is, I guess. So yeah, guys, if you want to definitely opt in for these and start getting these pre-approvals too also, you can. I mean, it is an alternative, however, and it can actually help you avoid hard inquiries. It is a strategy, okay, because you have a higher chance of being approved for a credit card if you go through a pre-approval offer. Actually, let me rephrase that. The statement I made. I don't know if it can help you avoid a hard inquiry. It can help you avoid an unnecessary hard inquiry, or an inquiry from a denial, I should say. Yeah, there you go. It's a better phrase. An inquiry. It can help you avoid an inquiry from a denial. Okay, and a denial, from what I've understood, well, I've read this somewhere. A denial, a hard inquiry, weighs heavier on your credit score than a hard inquiry that you received from an account that you opened and got approved for. Okay, so in other words, they're saying that you could lose more points on your credit score for getting denied credit with a hard inquiry than you can for a hard inquiry that is for an account that you actually got approved for. Okay. Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman, he said, "Did you say you have a video on how to remove inquiries?" No, I hope I did not say that, Cornell. If I did say that, please, excuse me. What I meant to say was that we don't have any video on hard inquiries, on how to remove hard inquiries, that is, Cornell. Not as of yet, we were thinking about doing a video on that, because one of our subscribers, actually, you're the second subscriber that mentioned that. Okay. Someone else had mentioned to us that, we should do a video about how to remove our hard inquiries. So I'm pretty much not going to get into that right now, that topic, because if we do plan on, going ahead and making that live stream or that video, I don't want to spoil that surprise. Cornell says, "Oh, okay, yeah." So, yeah, you're the second person that brought that up. So thank you so much for bringing that up too, also as well. But that is among the list of topics that we have for future live streams, for sure. And also, there's plenty other topics that we plan on bringing up or doing live streams about in the future. I can actually give you a brief overview of some of them. We plan on making a video about building relationships with the big banks if you intend to apply for credit cards, lines of credit, loans with that bank. Okay. That's one that we plan on doing. We will be doing in the near future too, also as well. Also, another video is coming up soon about what banks do hard pulls when you open up a bank account with them, because there are certain bank accounts that you open up with certain banks that will do hard pulls, and some will do soft pulls. But that is very valuable information and helps you to be more strategic when planning your applications for bank accounts. Okay. All right. So let's see, other future videos we plan on doing. Also coming up, debt transferred from parent to child. Okay, that's another one that we plan on making too, also. And also my Upstart pre-approval update, because I believe I mentioned here earlier in this live stream that they tried to spice up the offer for me a little bit, but I'm still not sure about applying. They pushed the date to another date, but I don't want to get too much into detail about that because I don't want to spoil that either. Also, an update on DSX design. Okay. So that's just some of them. We have so many other topics, guys, that we plan on doing videos and live streams about. So you definitely want to stay tuned for sure. Okay. But as far as the hard inquiries is concerned, Cornell, we did make some videos. Well, you probably seen, you probably were there for a lot of these live streams. The trade lines that have no hard inquiry, that's the video we made. Okay, and it talks about, you remember that, Janelle?
That's the only one we did so far.
Well, we have other ones too. That one talks about trade lines that come with no hard inquiry. Trade lines just you can get. I mean, even though they come with no hard inquiry, guys, you want to be aware that they still can affect your credit score, regardless, even if it has no hard inquiry, because it can make your credit score go down temporarily because it is a new account that you're opening. Okay, so you want to be mindful of that. And I say temporarily as well because your average age of accounts goes down anytime you add a new account on. So that affects your length of credit history, which accounts for 15% of your credit score. Okay. If there's any, questions that you guys have, definitely feel free to go ahead and ask. What'd you say, Janelle?
You say you wanted to ask them what they think about the Capital One that I got.
Yes, I am. Cornell had made a comment here. Cornell says, I like the software you're using. Nice. Okay, great. That's what I wanted to ask you guys. What do you guys think about our new setup here? I know a lot of you have seen the setup before, but I don't remember asking you guys what you thought about it. What do you guys think about the new setup? Let me know inside of the comments too also as well. Okay, so what did you want to say, Janelle?
Read it first.
Okay, wait, let me see it. Janelle says there's two reasons of why she will not apply for a pre-qualified for this credit card. But first, before we read that, I want to ask what they think. Okay, first, and then we'll get to that which you wrote. Okay, Janelle. Now, that's what I wanted to ask you guys. What do you guys think about Janelle's pre-approval offer? I mean, considering all the information that I laid out for you guys, all right, considering that Capital One is known for giving out very low starter credit limits, for one. Let's see, what else? For two, they give at least 4 hard inquiries or hard pills on 4 different credit bureaus.
Oh, that's 3. I looked it up. Only 3.
Oh, Janelle says it's only 3, but someone said it was 4.
Yeah, I can't find it. It's only 3.
I've seen like more than one person said it was 4. So I don't know. I guess it's 3. It could be 4. But if they're referring to the 3 credit bureaus, then they're correct. And also maybe if the person that said 4 were referring to 4 credit bureaus, then hey. Because there's one credit bureau that's really not talked about very often, and it's called Enovis, and that one can be definitely left out by a lot of people. Because a lot of people don't, when they think of credit bureaus, a lot of people think of the 3 Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, but most people don't think about Enovis too also as well. Okay. So again, let me know what you guys think about Janelle's pre-approval offer. Do you think that she should take this offer? Do you think she should wait because it's possible Capital One may give out more offers in the future as her credit score continues to go up, as her credit score continues to rise? She just recently had all of her collections deleted off of her credit report off of her TransUnion. So her credit report is actually changing. And her credit score is scheduled to go up again at the next update, which should be the beginning. It should be probably sometime this week. I believe it's going to update soon, because one of her credit cards was paid off in full. So, and her finger hut was paid off in full too, also. So utilization actually went down on both of those accounts. So her credit report has definitely changed a lot. So let me know. Definitely let us know what you guys think. If you feel that Janelle should apply for this Capital One Platinum Card MasterCard offer, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. And if you type the number 1, that basically means that yes,
Number 1 would be a yes.
she
Number 2
should
would be a no.
take the offer. Number 2, if you believe that she should not apply for the offer, she should just wait because more offers are coming her way. Her credit scores continue to rise. She only has 2 hard inquiries on her credit report. Things are looking really good for her. She has no collections on her credit report. Just go ahead and type the number 2, and that would mean no, she should not apply for it. She should wait for the better offers to come in the mail. So what do we have here? Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman says, I like the software you're using. Nice. Okay, thank you so much. Cornell says, I think she should wait and get a Chase card. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that, Janelle. Okay, so we have a number 2. So I'm taking note. I'm keeping track of the votes here. We have a number 2 from Cornell. Okay, Cornell says number 2. She should wait. Okay, so we have 1 vote so far, guys. A number 2, that Janelle should wait. And Cornell says, I think she should wait and get a Chase card. Yes, that can be definitely, I could definitely see that.
And I already have. I can't.
Yeah, but Janelle, I don't think Chase, we did a whole topic about the 524 rule. Actually, guys, if you're interested in watching that video, the name of that video is called Payment History Credit, Chase 524 Rule, and 3 major credit bureaus. Okay, in that video we talk about and we break down the 524 rule. Okay, and Chase basically talks about credit cards and authorized users when they're talking about their 524 rule.
About the authorized users.
So they count authorized users as an account. But she has a self-lender also. Okay, she has 2 authorized users, but she also has a self-lender loan, installment loan, and I don't believe that Chase counts a loan, installment loan, as an account, because I believe they're talking about like charge cards and credit cards and authorized users.
Okay.
But if I'm wrong, guys, please let me know. Cornell says, I think she should apply. What? She applied for too many cards. She may not be able to get a Chase. Yes, that is true, Cornell. Right. Okay. Let me see. This is what Janelle has right now. She has the Amex authorized user. So that's that's one account. It counts for 1 with Chase. And she has the Credit One, that's 2. That counts for 2 accounts. Self-lender, I don't think they count a self-lender as in the 524 rule. The Finger Hut.
Since I graduated, now I'm in the actual Finger Hut.
Yeah, I think Finger Hut is counted because Finger Hut is a credit card. It's a revolving credit account from a store. So it's considered almost like a store card, pretty much. Okay, so that counts as 1, 2, 3. With Finger Hut makes 3. Then she has another authorized user. First Premier authorized user, which is almost a year old now. Almost, not quite a year. The authorized user is about, boy, what are we in August? It's 9 or 10 months old, I think. And then she got an offer from Amazon, the Amazon secured credit card. We had made a video about that too. Did we?
Yes,
I know we
did.
made. Did we make a video about that?
Yes, we did. That
I
about
know.
that
I know.
Amazon credit builder that was a limit time edition that I got in before.
Oh, okay. I remember we did make a live stream
And I got
actually
approved. I just
about the review of the Amazon credit builder card.
Yeah, they're not doing that right now. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was 1 month ago. The name of that video is called Live New Easy Approval Credit Card. Good cash back. Graduates to unsecured Amazon Credit Builder. Okay, you can find that here on this channel too also as well. We made that a month ago.
Right now.
But they no longer offer that to people. Well, actually, you cannot, I should rephrase that. You cannot go on the site, on the Amazon site, and apply for that Amazon Credit Builder card. From what a lot of people have told me is if you've been denied the regular Amazon store card, then it's possible they could offer you the Credit Builder card. Yeah. But we're not sure if they're even offering that card to anyone anymore. It may be just a closed offer. And those people who are lucky enough to get in, like Janelle was lucky enough, when they first made the offer, will be able to get that Amazon Credit Builder card.
I just got approved. I just got to come up.
Okay. So we just need to come up with the deposit money, and then she can get the card. But the thing is, if you add up her accounts, hold on, I'm adding it. Her Amex, that's 1. Credit One, that's 2. Fingerhut, that's 3. First Premier authorized user, that's 4. And if she gets to Amazon, then that would be 5 accounts, and that would exclude her from the Chase, from getting a Chase credit card.
And then I'm waiting on that credit stack.
And then she's waiting to apply for the credit stacks. She's ready for a letter to get to get an invitation to apply for the credit stacks. And if you guys are not familiar with what credit stacks is, we just did a a live stream about 2 weeks ago, I believe it was, and about that, the credit stacks credit card. Here you go. Here you go, Janelle. About 2 weeks ago, here on this channel. Yeah, I'm looking through our videos now to see what the title is of that video, so that way I can easily just guide you to that video a lot better. Okay, it is on here though. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Okay, here it is. The title of that video, guys, is New Premium Credit Card, 5K limit, no credit history needed. Okay, we did that live stream a week ago. It wasn't 2 weeks, it was 1 week ago. It seemed like it was longer than that because we made so many videos in a short period of time, so many live streams. But that's the title of the video. It talks about credit stacks, which is a credit card. It is not a unsecured. It is not a secured card. It is not a subprime card either. It's actually a premium card that has a $5,000 credit limit, and there's no credit history required to get approved for the credit stacks credit card. Very interesting card.
This is my reason why I'm not going to do Capital One. So.
Okay, hold on. Before we get into, we're not finished with the vote. We got one vote so far from Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman. He says number 2, no, Janelle should not apply for the Capital One. She should wait to get a Chase card. Okay, anyone else has a vote? The question is, should Janelle take this offer, this pre-approval for the Capital One Platinum MasterCard, or should she just wait to get a Chase card? Go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments for yes, she should accept the approval offer, or type the number 2 for no. She should not accept the pre-approval offer, and she should wait to get better, more better approval offers or apply for a Chase card. Okay. So we will be doing a lot of future videos too, coming up too, guys. So definitely keep an eye out for that too, also as well. So I do want to thank all of you who have joined us tonight in this live stream. I hope it wasn't too long. I know I did take a while to get on with you guys. I do apologize for that, for the long wait. I will be putting the title up of this live stream too, also as well. It will be the title of the notification that I had sent to all of you who have received it about the live stream that we were supposed to do at 8:15 p.m. Central Time tonight. And that title will be the same. It will be Janelle's My Approval Offer, Good Credit News, and Credit Repair Made Easy Talk.
We know, Cornell. Okay. We were hoping everybody else would.
Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman says number 2 again. LOL. Okay, well, it seemed like no one else had voted except Cornell was the only vote that we received. So now we're gonna go to what my vote. I didn't vote yet. Okay, I'm gonna make my vote. So considering all of the information that I received and that I went over to also as well, and the possibility that she will be able to get a Chase credit card, I say, and also the fact that Capital One is going to give her 3 or possible 4 hard inquiries immediately as soon as she puts in the application. And also for the fact that Capital One is known for giving very extremely low credit limits. And also for some of the reviews that we have gotten on the FICO forums that say that Capital One used to graduate people from secured status to unsecured status, but they stopped doing that for a lot of people. But I don't think that really applies here because this is not a secured card anyway. This is just a Platinum MasterCard. So taking all of that into consideration, I would, and also that it does not offer any cash back at all. I would vote no. I would vote no, guys. My vote is no, number 2. She should not take the approval offer. Why? Also because I believe that since Capital One is sending all these letters to Janelle now, I believe they want her business, so we should make them sweat. We should not make them wait. And if they're checking through soft pulls, they're doing soft pulls on her because she opted in to receive pre-qualified offers, then let them continue doing soft pulls and looking into her credit profile. And when they see her credit score continue going up and up and up and up, and they see all her collections deleted off her report, maybe they will give her better offers, For as far as the Chase credit card is concerned, though, however, I don't know. I don't know about that one because we kind of want to get the Amazon credit builder card because
they already did a hard pull on that.
They already did a hard pull on Janelle. Amazon already did a hard pull on Janelle, for one, and for 2. That Amazon card, if I remember all the details, because I know we did a live stream topic on that card, it graduates to an unsecured credit card after 7 payments, Janelle? Yeah, I believe it's 7 payments. Also, it's a 5%, they offer 5% cash back.
And $40 gift card.
Okay, and they give us a free $40 gift card on top of that too, also as well. And there's a whole bunch of other benefits too that to having that card too, also as well, that I haven't even mentioned yet. But I did mention most of them inside of the video. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up, Cornell. That just reminds me, people definitely hit that thumbs up button
I
because
think he's green on your part.
hit the thumbs up, guys, because it definitely helps YouTube to promote this video better, helps them to promote our YouTube channel better too, also as well. So definitely hit the thumbs up. Okay, so we're considering getting the Amazon secured credit card. But we have some time. We have until August 12th to accept the offer for the secured credit card from Amazon, because that is like, how would you say? What is the word I'm looking for? Not unique, you know, but it's a word that means like she's gonna be one of the few people that can actually get that card. That's what I'm trying to say, right? Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman says, I want the Amazon too. Yeah, so we're kind of tied up here because if we try to get a Chase card, a wait to get a Chase card for Janelle, then
I'm screwed.
Yeah, she's not going to be able to get the Amazon card because the Amazon would put her at 524. Put her at 5 accounts.
Okay.
And there's no Chase.
Waiting on
Excuse me. There's no Chase branch here in our state, so we can't just go walk into a Chase branch and avoid that 524 rule or go around it that way. I guess there is other ways to go around the 524 rule that we can explore, but I don't know. We kind of want that Amazon card because it's 5% cash back. All right, not too many cards actually offer that.
Like I said, we can put
There
it in
is
now.
the Discover card, which can offer 5% cash back on certain categories, right? There's also the American Express. American Express has a card too, also as well. They give 6% cash back on groceries, but that is also limited. It only goes up to, I believe, $6,000 spend to get that
I got denied for that.
6%. And after you spent the 6,000, I believe you no longer can receive the 6% cash back. It goes down to, I believe, 3% cash back, I believe. Oh, everyone, please give a warm welcome to Tyrone Williams. Tyrone, thank you so much for joining us once again, Tyrone. And welcome back, buddy. Everyone, please say hello to Tyrone Williams. Tyrone says, I would get the Chase card. Okay. So, Tyrone, we're also taking a vote here, all right? And the vote that we're voting on is, do you guys think that Janelle should accept the pre-qualified offer from Capital One Platinum MasterCard? Okay. Or she should not accept it and she should wait to get something like a Chase card? Okay, so, and if you believe she should wait, then type the number 2, which basically you're saying no, she should not accept the pre-qualified offer. If you believe that she should accept the pre-qualified offer, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. So we already have Cornell that voted number 2. You already have Lyndon, that's me. I voted number 2. Janelle, did you vote yet?
I already told you.
Oh, okay. Janelle wrote down her vote for me because hers is in detail here.
You want to read first before you say it aloud. I have my reading.
Okay, Janelle says, yes, right. She does not have a bank account.
Back and forth.
And her FICO score is not in that range yet. So how did she get a pre-qualified offer? I don't understand. How did you get a pre-qualified offer if your FICO score is not in that range? Maybe I don't know. Let's see. Let's see here. Maybe we're missing something because I know Janelle's credit score kind of took a dip because, guys, her credit one card, she had a high utilization. She had a okay, I got it. And because she had a high utilization on her credit one credit card, so her credit score took a dip and went down a little. But it's scheduled to go back up in a few days as soon as credit one updates and reports to the credit bureau again. I'm just typing in something here. Just trying to go to a site that I've seen. Whoop, spelled that wrong. Okay. Okay, so we have Tyrone voted. Tyrone voted number 2. Okay, which means that Janelle should not accept the Capital One Platinum MasterCard. Okay, anyone else has a vote for us? So far we have 3 votes. Janelle, what did you vote? What did you vote, Janelle? What did you vote?
It told you right there on the paper.
Oh, it's right here. You didn't say what number, number 1 or number 2. You didn't say what number you're voting, Janelle. Or you could type it in the comment, too.
I said I will not.
Type it in the comments so people know. And also when you type it in the comment, it helps with the engagement in the live stream, too, Janelle. Okay. Let's see what we have here.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with Tyrone on that one.
Okay, so Janelle just voted, guys, on this pre-qualified offer, and she voted no, that she should not accept the pre-qualified offer. Okay, Ronald Anderson, thank you so much, buddy. Ronald Anderson also voted, guys. Ronald voted on Janelle's pre-qualified offer from Capital One Platinum MasterCard. Ronald Anderson voted no. She should wait for better offers to come her way. Okay, Linda Castaneda also voted. Oh, okay. We have a new person here in our live chat tonight, people, by the name of Linda Castaneda. Did I pronounce that right? Linda, please correct me. I apologize if I did not pronounce your name right. But everyone, please welcome Linda Castaneda to our live chat. Let her know that she's always welcome. Everyone, please say hello to Linda. You know, greet her, welcome her with open arms. So that way she knows she's is welcome here. So she voted number 2, that Janelle should wait for better offers and she should not apply for this pre-approval offer from the Capital One Platinum MasterCard. Okay, so right now, people, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 votes so far. I'm going to review all the votes. 6 votes. First vote was from Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman. He voted number 2, which means no. Janelle should not accept the pre-qualified offer from Capital One Platinum MasterCard. A second vote was me, of course, Lyndon. Okay, I'm just going to type that in the comment too as well, because it's not fair. I'm asking you guys to type it in the comments. I typed my vote right there, number 2. Okay, that's me, Lyndon, how to get an 800 credit score. I typed my voted number 2, that she should wait for better offers to come her way. such as, you know, the Chase card. She should wait because the Chase has that 524 rule. And yeah. And or she should, you know, maybe take the Amazon card, but I don't know. We kind of both like that Amazon card because of the 5% cash back. But we'll see. We're kind of leaning towards taking the Amazon. To going with the Amazon. Well, she already got a hard inquiry.
She said you said her last name right.
Oh, did I? Okay. Awesome. Linda said you said it correctly. Hello to everyone. So everyone, please say hello to Linda. Okay. Please say hello to Linda. Okay, so the second vote was me. The third vote was from Tyrone Williams, who voted no, that Janelle should wait for better offers, okay, such as the Chase credit card.
That's what I'm planning on.
Janelle says, thank you all that had voted. I appreciate it so much. Tyrone Williams says, as far as Capital One offer, you got to wait a year or longer before you can product change. And if your overall score on your credit report gets better, they don't change your credit terms on the card. Okay, thank you so much for letting us know that. I believe Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV mentioned that in his live stream on Monday night. No, that was last night because he didn't have a live stream on Monday night, but last night he did mention that. So thank you so much for letting us know that, Tyrone, too, also as well. So Tyrone also voted number 2, and his reason here, he typed in the comment, as far as Capital One offer, you got to wait a year or longer before you can product change, and if your overall score on your credit report gets better, they don't change your credit terms on your card. Okay, so I was our third vote from Tyrone Williams, who voted number 2 or no.
Okay.
Our fourth vote was coming from Janelle, of course. She voted, but Janelle voted number 2, no. She should wait for better offers. And she's leaning towards the Amazon Credit Builder card. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so vote number 5 is coming from Ronald Anderson, who says also that Janelle should wait for better offers. And our vote number 6 is coming from Linda Castaneda, who says Janelle should wait for better offers also as well. So if you guys have any other reasons that you would like to share with us why Janelle should not accept this pre-approval offer, go ahead and type those reasons inside the comments. However, if you believe that Janelle should accept this pre-approval offer, go ahead also and type your number 1 inside the comment, and also type your reasons why Janelle should accept the pre-approval offer from the Capital One Platinum MasterCard. Okay. Go ahead.
Otherwise, I'm ready to show everybody. I'm going to lift this up and go in the truck.
Okay. Well, Janelle's talking about maybe ripping up the offer and throwing it in the trash. I don't know about that. I mean,
it's not going to be any good. They're giving me till the 28th.
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you don't have to accept the offer, but maybe you.
I have my reason.
I know. You said no. I know, but maybe you should just keep it anyway, for like a souvenir or something, just something to show. Okay, I got pre-approved for this, and I got approved for that. Something for you to look back on, to show you how much progress you've made. You know what I mean? You don't have to accept it, but just hold on to it. Maybe throw it in the freezer or something. You can look at it every once in a while.
Oh, geez.
You know, guys, that's what we plan on doing with our Credit One credit cards. We want to throw those in the freezer and freeze them. Well, mine. Well, not mine. Actually, Janelle's, because Janelle's is one of her oldest credit cards. Mine is like one of my newish credit cards, right? But I think we both might freeze our cards anyway. Now, I'm considering closing mine account with Credit One, but I'm really
Throw it
not
in the freezer and let it
100% sure on that yet. So until then, I may just throw it in the freezer, you know. Um, but thank you so much, people, for voting here tonight, and also hit the thumbs up button. It helps YouTube to promote this channel better too, also as well. So if you're new to this channel, but you've been watching our videos for a while, and you're also interested in ways to improve your credit, increase your credit scores too, also as well, maybe get approved for making big purchases such as a house, cars, car loans, lines of credit, or traveling the world for free. You need a credit coach, or you want a credit coach to help you every step of the way. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell for notifications. Make sure that you select all notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too, also as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and join our Patreon and become a member. That way you can have a way you can support our channel with as little as a $30 a month membership too, also as well. That link is right here under right here underneath me, actually. You should be able to see it right here on the screen. All the links to follow me on social media are on the screen, except some of them. Those other ones can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel. Follow or like our Facebook page. It's called How to Get an 800 Credit Score. It's named after the channel too, also as well. Tyrone has a comment. Tyrone says, why I say get the Chase Amazon Visa, because a year ago I had the card and I closed it for Chase Freedom Unlimited Visa, and they let me transfer my limit to the Freedom. Okay, so you think that Janelle should get the Chase Amazon Visa, because I believe that's the same card that we're talking about that the Amazon has with Chase. I'm not sure about that. Is that with Chase, the Amazon secured card too? Because I don't know. I mean, since the card is not even being offered anymore, it's hard for us to really get the full up-to-date information about that card, if that makes any sense. But I know they have one Amazon store card that's an American Express, I believe. But it's also, they have one that is a Chase. Yeah, that's right. Because actually, I'm an authorized user on someone's card that is a Amazon. I'm just reading some information here. Yeah, I'm an authorized user on someone's card that is an Amazon Chase card or something like that, I believe. Or an Amazon American Express card.
So that's going to count too.
Hold on, Janelle. Best Amazon credit card for business purchases. No, this is business, babe. This is
going.
Okay, best Amazon credit card for cashback bonus, Wells Fargo, Cashwise, Visa. Oh, Amazon has one with Wells Fargo. And Amazon has the Chase Amazon Prime Rewards card. Yeah, they have one for Chase. So that might solve the problem for you there, Janelle. It possibly may solve the problem, that one problem of the Chase 524 rule.
Okay.
Just think about it. If the Amazon card is being offered with Chase, right? Chase has the 524 rule, and that Amazon card would have given you 5 accounts. The 5th account would be the Amazon card, right? But if that card is being offered with Chase, then maybe you would be okay for the 524 rule. I don't know. What do you guys think inside the comment? What do you think, Tyrone? Let me know. Let us know. No, we didn't say that. Janelle. No, we didn't say that.
I forgot about it.
Tyrone said...
It's from... Okay, so I should be okay then.
That's what we're trying to tell you. That's what we're trying to tell you. Tyrone Williams says the Amazon store card is from Synchrony Bank.
Just like the finger hut.
Just like the Finger Hut. Okay.
No, finger hut. Oh, never mind, not the finger hut. Never mind.
No, not Finger Hut. It's just other cards that's through Synchrony Bank.
Okay,
I
so
don't
now
think
should
it's.
be okay getting the Amazon.
I think so. If they have one that's with Chase, right? Tyrone says Chase Amazon Prime is gray and Chase Amazon Visa is blue. So a lot of the Amazon cards are with Chase anyway. So I don't think that would be an issue. That would be your Chase card. Your fifth card would be your Chase card. If the secured card is Amazon Chase card.
That would be number 6.
No, because self-lender is not counted. Self-lender does not count towards the 524
Okay,
rule because it's a loan. It's an installment loan.
When I get an invitation for credit stock.
Well, if you get the invitation to apply for credit stacks, I would just wait on the credit stacks and get the Chase Amazon first.
No, the Amazon credit builder.
Yeah, that's what we're talking. The same thing we're talking about the whole time.
Graduate.
Yeah, because when you graduate, it's possible you could graduate to the Chase Amazon, a Chase Amazon card, whether it be the Prime Gray or the Visa Blue, whichever one. But it's possible it could be a Chase card that you graduate to after 7 on-time payments. But in the meantime, you're getting 5% cash back. So, I mean, what have you really got to lose there? If your fifth credit card, I already read that. If your fifth credit card is going to graduate to your Chase card, then why not go for it? The Amazon. You know what I mean? That'll put you, that'll set you up for a Chase credit card like in 7 months or possibly less. Tyrone says it's all about moving up. Yes, it's definitely all about moving up, Tyrone, for sure. Janelle, I guess Tyrone has helped us out a lot because we never had Chase or anything like that. Any Chase credit cards.
So here's my question. Ask them.
Yeah.
Should I go ahead and do the Amazon since I already got approved for the Amazon credit builder? Should I go ahead and do that if I put the money in?
I believe that's what they're trying to tell you, Janelle. But you're not getting it. You're not getting it. Tyrone, Janelle's asking.
Anybody.
Why don't you type that in the comment? It's better because it's better engagement when you type in the comment. Yeah, Janelle. What Janelle said, type it anyway. What Janelle said, well, basically, Tyrone was question she's asking is, so you're saying that she should get the Amazon secured credit card because that's the Amazon secured card. She should get the credit builder is the Amazon secured card. It's both the same thing.
Okay.
It's the same thing. It's just two ways of
even though
naming
my
it.
My credit line will be down, but that's okay.
You should get Tyrone. I believe you're trying to say she should get the Amazon credit builder card or / secured credit card because it's going to graduate to a Chase card after 7 months anyway.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And she would be in compliance with the 524 Chase rule anyway. Am I right, Tyrone? Let me know inside of the comments, okay? Because that's kind of what I was thinking, too, by Tyrone's comment, But I don't think you were getting it, because you wasn't. But.
No, it's just, I'm sorry. I was just a little frustrated because of all the other things, too. So I'm not trying. I just don't want to screw up.
All right, listen. He's just made a comment. You need to answer these comments, Tyrone says if you get the Chase Amazon Visa, you cannot product change to their good cards like Freedom. Oh, okay. He's saying if you get the Chase Amazon Visa, you cannot product change to their good cards like Freedom. The Chase Freedom. in there. Read it.
I know, I read it and I was trying to figure out exactly, like,
Okay, so yeah, so that's what Tyrone is basically saying there. So thank you so much, Tyrone, for sharing that too. Also, because the Chase Freedom card looks like a pretty decent, pretty good card there, and it looks like a good card to have. I'm not sure if we'll be doing a lot of traveling though, however. So the Sapphire, I don't think we're gonna want something like a Sapphire because I don't think we'll be traveling that much to actually want to get a Chase Sapphire. I think Chase Sapphire is like for someone who at least travels at least once or twice a year, I believe. Um, and that's not us. Okay, guys. So I want to thank all of you guys for coming tonight to our live stream. Appreciate all of you who have commented to also as well in our live stream. And as our tradition, because I don't want to keep this live running too late, because and I'm sure other people have to, and some of you have to go to work tomorrow morning. As our tradition, I like to thank and recognize the people who have shared and commented here in tonight's live stream too also as well. First and foremost, I want to say a special thank you to Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman. Thank you so much, Cornell, for joining us. Thank you for your patience, sir. Thank you for your comments. Tyrone says Chase Amazon and the Amazon secured account is two different accounts, two different banks. Okay, so it's two different banks.
I'm still gonna go with Amazon then. I should be fine then.
Yeah, I mean, you should be fine. And put it this way: even if you don't get a Chase card, right? Like, because you over the 524 rule or whatever, you still have the Amazon card, which gives you the 5% cash back, and it's gonna graduate to a regular store card anyway.
Okay.
So
okay.
I think it's pretty much a good win for you. 5% cash back. That is a lot.
And two. Mark $40 gift card.
Yeah, exactly. Janelle says, thanks, Tyrone. So should I still go for the Amazon Credit Builder? Oh, yeah, and just keep in mind, Tyrone, Amazon Credit Builder and Amazon Secured Card, I think we're talking about the same card here, okay? A Credit Builder is not any different card. Amazon Secured Credit Card and Amazon Credit Builder is the same card. Janelle, the Amazon...
Hey, I'm trying to comment here for him.
Okay, yeah, I'm trying to tell you something. Tyrone Williams says, Janelle, what's your credit score with TransUnion and Equifax? Tyrone Williams, I was at 720.
I'm going.
Hello,
I'm
talking to you. I want to ask you something.
I'm checking right now, please.
No, I want to ask you something. Oh, never mind. We'll get to that later. Tyrone says, I was at 720. Okay. Janelle Leone, thank you so much. Tyrone Williams, you have been such a great help. Tyrone Williams says, Janelle, you are welcome. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you, Janelle, right?
What?
The Amazon secured credit card and the Amazon credit builder, they're both the same card.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah.
It's the same card.
Okay.
It's just some people call it the secured credit builder. Some people call it the Amazon secured credit card. Some people call it the Amazon credit builder card. It's the same exact card. It's only one card. It's not two different cards.
Well, this is what I have right now, but it will be updated in 4 days. So.
Okay. Yeah. Her credit score kind of took a dip. Tyrone. What, show me what you were showing me there, Janelle.
But it'll update again in 4 days. So
It's supposed to update again in 4 days. This will happen to her credit score after having a high utilization for 1 month, I believe. Okay.
but I already got it done.
Let me look here on the camera, make sure that this will be showing properly.
Sorry, I'm not trying to be a jackass to everybody. Just
Okay, so this is where her credit score is now. It should be updated as soon as they update her credit one
figure out
and finger hut.
in 4
What's there? What? In 4 days it should update.
next update.
Okay, can you see that, Tyrone? If you can see that clearly, Tyrone, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside the comments. Alrighty. She got 624 and 635. It was a little higher before, but what had happened was, like I told you, her utilization on the credit 1 card went up too high.
And Doublender popped in.
She got a self-lender account, so being that it was a new account, it dropped her credit score a little more. And then, what was it? The hard inquiry from the credit 1, the high utilization from the credit 1 card. Let's see, anything else? I think that was about it. So that's what caused her credit score to dip. Okay. But it's scheduled to go back up higher than it was before it went down in about 4 days when Credit One updates and Finger Hut updates to the credit bureaus. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Pink Lady Barber. Pink Lady Barber, welcome back again.
You write it down, please.
Glad to have you back again there, Pink Lady. How you been? Good to see you.
I know it's a little late, but
And we apologize for the issue we was having earlier tonight. We were supposed to start at 8:15 p.m. But we was having issues because I had scheduled the live stream and set everything up on my cell phone. Okay, figuring that I could go ahead and access the stream that I scheduled from my laptop. And when I went ahead and tried to access the stream today from my laptop, I had issues with it. Could not figure out how to access the stream. So therefore, I had to start a new stream completely. So without a topic, without nothing. But I will be fixing that. I will be putting up the title and everything as it was supposed to be, as the notification you guys received. The only thing is that a lot of people that got the notification, they will not be able to. That live stream never came on, but this live stream is on, so they'll be able to see this one. Okay. We have two. Okay. Tyrone says, I see it.
did you read the one he said about?
Tyrone says, I was at 720 when I got the Freedom, the Chase Freedom he's talking about, but I believe you can have at least 680 to get the Chase Amazon Visa. Okay, the Chase Amazon Visa, Tyrone, is that the card that the Amazon secured / credit builder graduates to after 7 on-time payments? I'm just curious because I know Amazon has a couple of Chase cards, which are store cards.
But you want to try to back up a little bit and let Pink Lady know what we were talking about in case she missed the video.
Oh,
You
no.
don't have to do the
No,
whole thing.
she's right here. No. Read the comment. Pink Lady Barber says, I was listening in all along. I was on an important call. Yeah, she was listening the whole time. Yeah, she was on a call. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you so much. We appreciate you, Pink Lady.
Got it.
Janelle says, thank you so much, and I love you too, Pink Lady Barbara. Okay, awesome. Tyrone Williams says, but to be honest, I would wait 6 months to 1 year when your score at TransUnion and Equifax get a 700 or a little higher, then apply for the Freedom Card, 5% cashback.
Well, I'm worried about that. I will, but I'm just
The
gonna do
Freedom.
Amazon.
The Freedom. to chase
know.
freedom.
I'm gonna just do the Amazon, and then I'm gonna wait on for the credit stack and see what happens, and then I'm gonna wait a while.
Okay, so Janelle wants
Because
to.
I just finished fixing to delete to get rid of 4 of my collections. I already did that on TransUnion. I just did that
You
on
need to talk louder because it's like. Can you hear Janelle, guys? Can you hear her talking? I just wanted to know because I know this microphone is pretty good. Sometimes it can pick up.
No, I'm just saying. Because you got the fan on too.
Go ahead.
I will go ahead and do the Amazon, and I'm gonna wait for see what happened with credit stack, and then after that, I'm not applying for no more for a while. I did start working on deleting 4 of my collection. That's all I can say.
Okay. Pink Lady Barbara says, I think you should go with the Amazon card. It fits your lifestyle. We love cash back. Okay. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I like that 5% cash back from Amazon too.
And
Because,
$40
guys,
gift card.
isn't there a lot of things that you could buy on Amazon that you been buying from like Walmart already? Because Amazon offers a lot of products like on their sites. So yeah, I mean, Janelle, if that's what you want to do, you want to go ahead and go with the Amazon, by all means, go ahead. You know, that 5%, that cash back, it definitely.
Yeah, and I get the $40 gift card from them.
And she gets the $40 gift card for free. Yeah.
So that's my plan. And then later on, maybe next year or at the end of the year, I want to try to do the Discover It Mile. And that's it.
Discover It Miles, like at the end of the year.
The credit card. Maybe
Like,
next year.
Next year, I do the Discover
I
It
want
Miles.
to get taken care of. Because I just deleted 4 off of my TransUnion on my collection and last month. And today, I just did that on Xperia.
Okay. All right. Well, hopefully you guys could hear Janelle on what she said just now. Pink Lady Barbara says yes, and business supplies. Yeah, see, that's what I figured. I know Amazon, they offer a lot of the same products that Walmart has. Even groceries too. Like
But
you
get
might have to
more
wait a while.
you get more through Amazon, more like in bulk.
You get
than
more.
you do.
Yeah, you get more products in bulk than you do. You know, you can get more
That
product.
price.
Yeah.
It
From
could be
it.
a little more, but still, it'd be good.
Right. Right. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So I guess that's the plan, guys. So.
Okay.
Pink Lady Barbara says that sounds like a good plan, at Janelle. That's just what I was thinking about. A good plan.
They
So-
can hear me. They can hear me. Otherwise, she wouldn't say that.
Yeah, this microphone is pretty good. It picks up. It's very
So-
sensitive.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so there you
I'm
hear
not
it.
gonna
That's
do the Tate, and I'm not gonna do the Capital One, so that's off my list.
right. So we're not doing the Capital One. Oh yeah, Pink Lady, since you're here with us, we didn't get your vote. Did we get Pink Lady's vote?
No, not yet.
No, we
She
didn't.
said she was listening, but she was on the phone.
Yeah, we didn't get your vote, Pink Lady. We were voting on whether or not Janelle should accept her pre-approval offer from the Capital One Platinum MasterCard, or if she should
She's gonna take you.
not accept the pre-approval offer from Capital One Platinum MasterCard and just wait for future better offers, or wait for, you know, a better card,
See?
better credit card.
As I just said, Discover, I'm doing next year.
Pink Lady Barbara says, as your score goes up, discover it. Yep. That sounds like a plan. Discover it is great. Discover also has cash back
Did I want to do the Discover It
as well.
mile so we can start traveling?
Yeah, Discover it miles Janelle wants to do, because that way
That way
we can
going.
start like traveling and things like that, and,
I think we can talk about this
at a better rate or whatever, discount.
video.
Tyrone
Right.
Williams says, if you get that Amazon Builder card, or accept Capital One, your score will drop. Okay, it would be better to wait 6 months to a year to get a card with a number one bank in the country. Read his comment. With the number one bank in the country, and you can shop anywhere. Okay, I think he's talking about Chase Bank. Did you read Tyrone's comment? Janelle?
Yeah, I heard it. If I get the Amazon, or if I'm not doing the Capital One, I'm going to do the Amazon builder.
Okay, Pink Lady Barbara says wait for a better offer at Tyrone has your back. Tyrone, okay. Is that your vote, Pink Lady? You vote for her to wait for a better offer, so you, because the whole thing, what we were voting is, you would type the number one if you feel that she should accept the pre-approval, or if you should type the number two if she should wait for a better offer. So I'm assuming you want to vote number two, Pink Lady. It seems like everyone has voted number two here. We don't have anyone that says she should accept Capital One Platinum MasterCard's offer. Tyrone Williams says, think about it. Why pay 27% for a Amazon builder or store account? Okay, 27% interest, you mean? That's only if she if she does not pay off her balance in full, right, Tyrone?
But my credit line's going to be small anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Pink Lady Barbara says, did Amazon already pull your credit report? Yes,
Yeah,
they did. They already gave Janelle a hard pull, a hard inquiry. Pink Lady. Okay, Pink Lady Barbara just voted number two, that Janelle should not accept the pre-qualified offer from Capital One Platinum MasterCard.
I got enough answers for Capital One. Thank you, and I appreciate it. I'm not doing Capital One.
Okay, guys.
There's another reason why, too.
What's that? I already read all this, babe.
I know.
Why did you show me again?
Because
yeah, Janelle was denied a bank account with U.S. Bank. That's the one I didn't
that's where I
say. Excuse me. Pink Lady Barbara says, will they pull it again if you accept? Wow.
I already got approved. Right here.
Yeah, she already got approved, Pink Lady, but that is a good question. I don't see why they would have to pull her credit report again a second time.
I just gotta put the money in by next week.
I don't see why they would pull a second time. I'm looking through. Actually, I'm looking through her approval letter right here, right now, as we speak, and I'm gonna show this on the screen real quick. Right. That's the approval letter for the Amazon credit builder. So it doesn't really say much information there. Okay. But I don't see why they would do that. Have you seen banks do that, Pink Lady Barber? I mean, when you get approved for a secured credit card from, say, a bank, and you don't send the deposit money yet, they give you a certain time to wait. Is it possible that they can do that? That they can actually give you a second hard inquiry after they already gave you one? I don't know. But if they do, that would kind of be messed up. It would. I don't think so. I don't think they can do that because it's only one credit application and not two. She already applied, right? So I don't see what reason they would have for doing another hard inquiry. unless they asked her to reapply. If they asked her to reapply, then I believe that would be another hard inquiry, because then that would be two credit applications. What's that, Janelle?
No, I'm just reading. Sorry, hold on. I'm finding the answer for it.
Janelle had to go look that up too. Actually, I wanted to look that up too myself, but since Janelle already started on it, I'll let her finish looking that up.
I will get refunded for that application.
Pink Lady Barber says no. Just wondering why her score would go down if she accepted. Well, basically because Tyrone was saying that her score would go down. I agree to also as well. Her score will go down.
There will be no new credit inquiry and no impact to your credit score or age of the credit account reported.
What?
See the credit bureau when you upgrade. After I graduate.
That's after you graduate, but
That's
she's
all I
not.
have on there.
I don't think she means after you graduate. I think she's talking about.
No.
But that's what she's asking. That's what she's saying. You know, she's not talking about when it graduates. When it graduates, there's no. Yeah, when it graduates, there's no hard inquiry. That's great, because they just graduate your Amazon secured card to a regular Amazon store card. That's awesome. Yeah, okay, back to what you were saying, Pink Lady Barber. Excuse me. Her credit score will go down because, for one, it's a new account. Okay, anytime you open up a new account, a lot of times your credit score will go down because you lowered your average age of account. Okay, so the average age of accounts, that accounts for 15% of your credit score, which deals with the credit length. Okay, length of history, I should say, not payment history, length of history. Tyrone Williams says, that's true. Interest to me accounts. That's true. Interest to me accounts like that is like a Finger Hut account. But it's a Amazon account. It's only good to get your score to a certain point. To get better account, then close it. Never keep them accounts. Oh, okay. Interesting, Tyrone. Thank you for sharing that. And Tyrone says more than a year. Never keep those accounts more than a year. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. There's a lot of good suggestions for you, Janelle. Okay. About the Amazon card. Okay, and we also took a vote also as well. I don't think I started on this, but as our tradition, I want to go ahead and recognize people who have commented inside of the chat. Special thank you to you. Recognize you too also as well. First and foremost, I want to say a special thank you to Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for your patience. Also, special thank you to Miss TTA271, who came back once again. Thank you for coming back again. Welcome back, and we look forward to seeing you in many more live streams in the future. Also, I want to say a special thank you to one of our new participants in our live chat tonight, by the name of Bill Walker. Bill Walker, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you also as well. And you're always welcome here, okay? Also want to say a special thank you to Bodyguard 856. Thank you so much, Bodyguard. Welcome back again. Thank you for all that you do for our live chats. Also want to say a special thank you to Ronald Anderson. Ronald, thank you so much for coming back once again. Really do appreciate you. We know you're probably on the road driving, but be safe, drive safe, and carefully, okay? Also want to say a special thank you to Julian Robinson. Julian, thank you for stopping by once again, brother, and we appreciate you. A special thank you as well to Sean P. Entertainment. Thank you for those comments, Sean P. We definitely got to see another perspective also as well, so we really appreciate all the comments that you made here in the chat. Really appreciate you. Special thank you to Immortal DJ Monk, my brother. Thank you and welcome back once again. Really appreciate you and looking forward to seeing you again. Okay. Also, a special thank you to the Coin Alley who gave a $5 super chat. Thank you so much, the Coin Alley, for the $5 super chat. We really appreciate it. It really helps this channel out a lot when we get support, like that from our subscribers and our viewers. Super chats. The donations help the channel out. Helps us make better videos, better quality live streams too, also as well. Helps us promote our channel better too, also. So thank you so much to the Coin Alley for that $5 super chat. Okay, Tyrone Williams says, in my opinion, when you have accounts like that, start applying for a better card like a Freedom within 8 to 12 months of those types of accounts being open. Okay, it's possible that she can go for the Freedom. I'm not sure, Tyrone, if she can or not. I mean, if she's planning on accepting the Amazon secured credit builder card, then that would give her 5 accounts. Okay, then it will upgrade to a Amazon, I believe maybe an Amazon Chase card, right? After 7 on-time payments. I don't know if she'll be able to apply for the Freedom because she already have 5 accounts open. Okay, by that time. So I don't know. I don't know if she'll be able to go for the Freedom or if she'll have to wait, however amount of time until she goes under that 524 rule. Okay. But we'll just have to find out. We can find that out easily by looking at a calendar or something to find out what exact date she opened her first account. And then we can pretty much gauge it like 24 months from then in the future. I want to say also a special thank you to Spence Eccles. Spence Eccles, thank you so much for stopping by once again, and welcome back to you. Special thank you as well to Tyrone Williams for all of your great, awesome comments, suggestions, advice too, also as well, your votes. Everyone who voted, I want to say thank you so much to all of you who voted. A special thank you to also a new person here in our live chat, Linda Constanita. Linda, welcome to our channel. It was truly a pleasure, and thank you so much for stopping by. You're always welcome, and we're looking forward to seeing you in more of our live chats in the future too, also as well. So thank you so much, Linda. Also want to say a special thank you to Pink Lady Barber. Pink Lady Barber, thank you so much for stopping by. I want to thank you so much for stopping by this evening too, also as well. I really appreciate that. And I want to mention all the people's names, all the people who voted tonight. Our first vote, Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman, Lyndon Baptiste, that's me, Tyrone Williams, Janelle Leone, Ronald Anderson, Linda Constanita, and Pink Lady Barber. Thank you so much, people, for voting. We really appreciate that. And right now we have 11 people with us here in the live chat. Thank you so much to all 11 of you. If you've been with us this whole entire time, we appreciate that too, also as well. Thank you so much. Pink Lady Barber says, welcome newcomers. Yes, welcome to our newcomers. Bill Walker. Yes, Bill Walker and Linda Constanata. Welcome back, guys. And, feel free to come back again also as well.
Tyrone would write on that part.
Okay, I'm just going to read something about what Janelle had looked up here. Amazon, what? Okay, Magnus is coming from magnifymoney.com. From what we don't like about the Amazon Credit Builder secured card. The high interest rate at 28.24%. This card has a higher APR than even some other secured credit cards. Cardholders who carry a balance could find themselves hit with high interest charges because of this, unless they choose to opt for the special financing offer for purchases over $149. No rewards without Amazon Prime. Well, we have Amazon Prime already, right? Yeah, we have Amazon Prime.
Get the account.
We do.
Not a card.
No, Amazon Prime. It's a thing with your Roku TV, I think, where you can watch certain shows on Amazon Prime. We have that. Huh?
You canceled it.
Okay, we have to get it back if we canceled it. You have to get that back. It says if you don't have an Amazon Prime account and don't plan to get one, you won't earn any cash back. Okay. The only perk that comes with this card is the promotional financing, which could help with big purchases. So you hear that? If you don't have the Amazon Prime,
We'll have to do that.
you cannot get no cash back at all.
We'll do that. We'll have to get one.
Now you already applied, so I don't know how it's gonna affect your cash back and stuff. We're gonna have to look more into that cash back feature with the Amazon card, because it says you do have to have the Amazon Prime. Since I'm not, I don't remember if we had the Amazon Prime at the time when Janelle applied or not, because I remember we ended up canceling at some point. But we'll just have to look into that some more. Tyrone Williams says, don't get freedom right now. Wait a year. By then, she'll be at a 700 score or higher. Yes, we believe that she will. Her score will be very high by that time, Tyrone, because number one, she doesn't have any collections on her credit report anymore. TransUnion deleted all three. The other two credit bureaus, possibly, I believe. Possibly, I believe the other two credit bureaus are going to be deleting those collections too and following suit with TransUnion too also as well. So she's not going to have anything negative on her credit report. So her credit score, and she doesn't have that many hard inquiries. I think she has only two right now, two hard inquiries. So I don't think, I think her credit score is going to be very high in 1 year from now. So. I think I kind of predicting that she's, she may, I don't know. I don't want to compare her to me. I'll compare me to her, because her credit journey is a lot different than mine. You know what I mean? But I think she's do very well. She's doing really good, and I kind of wanted her to take this path that she did. I didn't want her to take the same exact path that I took, because my path was a lot of trial and error, to get the high credit score that I have now. So I kind of wanted her to, do that on a different path. But anyway, Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman says, show me how to get that software when you can. Thanks. Oh yeah, I will, Cornell. Do you have an? Yeah. Do you have an? I'm gonna show him. Do you have an email address, Cornell? Just give me an email. I'll just email it to you. Pink Lady Barber says, Lyndon, are you any closer to your loan decision? Oh wow. Well, I had a lot of people in that when we did the live stream. I think you were there, Pink Lady. Pretty much a lot of people said.
The only one.
Oh yeah, that's right. You were there.
No, you're not.
No. When we did the Upstart loan. When we did the Upstart loan, a lot of people had said that I should not take the loan.
Yep.
Pretty much. Okay. We found a lot of bad reviews about it.
Not only that, you got too many stuff on there. You don't need them more right now.
And I do need a loan in November. I do.
When that comes, yes, but not right now.
But not right now. But Upstart gave me till the end of October. So I don't know. I haven't not come to a loan decision yet. No, I haven't. But I mean, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt to just take like Credit Strong or another self lender. It wouldn't hurt, you know. Tyrone Williams says, my regrets when I started rebuilding my credit is closing my U.S. Bank secured Harley Davidson card. I know by now I could have U.S. Bank Cash Plus card, closing my Capital One Quicksilver card. Oh, okay. Let's see.
Over 6 months ago.
Over 6 months ago, for them not getting increases after paying on time for over 1.5 years. Last month, I reopened a new account with them and accepting Merrick Bank
Yeah, I remember that.
mail offer.
Don't
Okay,
do the Merrick.
that's interesting.
I remember that, but
Yeah, we actually had done a review. I believe we had done a live stream about
the Merrick Bank.
the Merrick Bank credit card, and we did a review of that card too, actually. Just looking for that video there on our channel real quick for you there, Tyrone. We did do a review of the Merrick Bank. Let's see here. Looking to see where I can locate it. I know it's been a few weeks since we did that review of the Merrick Bank credit card. But yeah, it is on here. Let's see. Well, I didn't know it was that far back. Okay, it was 3 weeks ago. Tyrone, we did a review of the Merrick Bank credit card. The name of the live stream video is called Merrick Bank Credit Card. Very short, simple title there. Merrick Bank Credit Card. Okay? And you can find that here on the channel too also as well. Inside that video, we do a review of the Merrick Bank, the card you're talking about, basically. Tyrone says, and last regret trying to apply for accounts I don't qualify for. That's why I'm waiting 2 years before I get a new account. Yeah, I'm pretty much in the same boat as you, Tyrone. You know, I am waiting it out myself. Actually, I am not applying for any credit, okay, until December next year. Not December this year, but December next year, okay? Because by that time, all of my hard inquiries will have fell off of my credit report. Okay? Only one thing that I will apply for, probably by November, is an installment loan or some type of loan to replace my self-lender, because I need to have a loan for my credit mix. Okay? But because if I don't have a loan all of a sudden in November, what is going to happen, Tyrone, is my credit score will go down, because that accounts, credit mix accounts for 10% of your credit score. Okay? So I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence there too. So I'm still going to do a little more looking into that to decide whether or not I should get another loan or just do without a loan, you know, and see what are the effects on my credit score of not having a full credit mix. Okay, so it looks like Pink Lady Barber is asking Tyrone a question. Tyrone says, okay.
There's your email address right there.
Janelle, okay, this your email address, Cornell? Okay, that's what I was waiting for. Okay, it's point, I'm just writing it down real quick, and then I'm going to pretty much on, oh, that's pretty
LLC.
easy. Okay, it's just your business name.
Yes.
Okay, pretty easy, simple and straightforward. So what I'll do is I'll just email you that information. So point to point transportation LLC at gmail.com. Okay. Awesome. Okay, Cornell. Yeah, so that's pretty much, yeah. It's pretty good, but I've seen other softwares that are pretty much better than this one. Looks better anyway. I don't know, but I wouldn't say it is better anyway, but it's different, I would say, than this one. But there are others out there, but that is one in case you want to use it. I'll send it to you in your email. All right, Cornell. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, Janelle says, okay, I'm not going to apply for the Capital One. I'm going to do Amazon Credit Builder. I'll wait till next year. What's that? I'll wait till next year to do the Discover It Miles credit card. Okay, awesome. I'm also waiting for an invite to the Credit Stacked 5K credit card, she means. And when I do get it, we will let you all know.
And we'll go from there.
Okay, awesome. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much to all of you who have joined with us tonight in tonight's live stream. I want to check the counter and see how long we've been on. Okay, we've been on 2 hours and 41 minutes tonight. So thank you guys for making this a very, high quality live stream. A lot of awesome engagement here between all of us. Thank you guys for voting. Really appreciate all of you who commented. Appreciate all the comments. Appreciate all the questions, the great questions you guys have answered. Janelle, is there any question that went unanswered tonight? Hold on.
I'm doing it right here.
Doing what? What are you? Okay, well, if there's any unanswered questions, guys, definitely let me know. I will also be watching this live stream again, reviewing it, to see if there is any questions that we did not answer in tonight's live stream.
There we go. I'm done.
Pink Lady Barber says Capital One increases my credit limit by $1,000 every year. Okay. Awesome. Congratulations, Pink Lady. And Janelle says thank you all for everything and your help and advice of that Capital One offer. Good night, and y'all, and sweet dreams. So another thing I wanted to ask you guys, if you guys have any topics that you would like discussed in a live stream, definitely let us know, guys. We will make a note of it.
I will be working on it.
And we will also work on a video for that topic or a live stream.
Yeah, I'll be doing these tomorrow.
So also we are still getting something ready for Bodyguard 856 that he had asked us in a previous live stream, but we wasn't able to get around to him. So Bodyguard, if you're still there, we just want you to know that we still have you in mind. Tyrone Williams says, Lyndon, did you know I accepted Merrick Bank Double Your Line Visa card in the mail last month on July 5th? I closed it July 16th. I send them $6 to see if they accept electronic payment. Okay. Wow. That's interesting. So
remember, because we found out about how Merrick Bank is, so that's why.
Oh, okay. Yeah, a lot of people have closed it after they found out the way
only one.
Merrick Bank is. So don't feel bad about that. But anyway, yeah, so we are in the same boat, Tyrone. Pretty much, I'm not applying for nothing till December next year. So no credit cards, okay? Credit cards. The only credit I'm going to apply for is a loan by November. Okay. Well, thank you all for joining tonight. I'm going to have to wrap this up. Okay. And really appreciate you guys. We will definitely let you know probably 24 hours a day or so in advance or more if we're doing another live stream. Okay. We're going to have to start doing that because of the notifications. We've been having issues with our subscribers receiving their notifications. Some of them are receiving them late, things like that. So all types of issues. So we plan on giving you guys a day, 1 day or more advance notice before we start doing other live streams. Okay, so you'll get a heads up. All right, which should be good. So guys, thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep safe, be blessed, and have a great night. Enjoy your Thursday. We'll see you next time we meet. Bye now.